Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the major number HIT-66-200-116 lock mortiser attachment for the HIT 66 clamp set. This is going to be for the HIT 66 mortiser, and we'll take it out of the plastic tube. It's a replacement 1 1/16 bit. They make this in an 1 1/16 and a 1-inch size. The 1-inch size is, of course, far more common than the 1 1/16. I can't think of a mortise body that requires an 1 1/16, but it's likely one that will be some sort of an electronic function that needs just a little extra breathing room on the mortise case, would be my guess, is how this is. Okay, and this portion of the video is to talk about what this looks like, give you an idea. Obviously dipped in the protective coating, protecting the cutting surfaces that get pulled off when you are going to begin your preparation. And again, for the HIT 66-200 mortiser, let's switch now to the screen view where we can take a closer look at that HIT 66 mortiser. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Here is the item that we are looking at. HIT 66 200 1 1/16 replacement carbide bit for that mortiser. That's what it looks like. Let's take a look at some images that we have. The package, the bit itself, its plastic tube, close-up view of the bit, side view, looking at the end of the bit, the opposite end showing where it's threaded onto the post, and then the cutting edges themselves, the outside scoring bits. This is what actually creates depth to what you're doing, and then your centering point. Now, as we scroll down, this is for the HIT 66-200. When you buy one, we'll ship you one. The product brochure is here. Let's click on that, and let's look at the HIT 66-200 mortiser. So this is going to allow you to attach it to the HIT 66 clamp system and then create your mortise pocket cavity, is what this allows. Stops on either end. You'll take a 1/2 inch drill and you will drill a series of holes into the unit itself. And after you get those holes drilled to the proper depth, and you can set the depth on there as well with the depth collar, you can then rotate that tool up and down with the cutting surfaces. They're going to be on this outside edge here. It'll allow you to clean that off right in here. Give you a complete pocket prep. So the HIT 66-200 lock mortiser can quickly mortise a pocket for a mortise lock. The mortiser requires that HIT 66 clamp system, which is here and in our site naturally, and can be used with most of the HIT 66 templates. So if you want to do function holes, you could bolt those function holes onto that you can bolt the templates for function holes onto the HIT 66 clamp system. The mortiser includes a 1-inch bit, mortise guide plate for alignment, and stop collars. Once the unit is clamped to the door, it is a simple matter to set the height and depth stops. A series of holes can be drilled, then the webs between the holes can be wasted away, forming the pocket. Requires the HIT 66 clamp and a 1/2 inch drill. You've got the 1-inch size, which will be the most common size, then the 1 1/16 size that we're showing in this video. Now, there is a link below this video here to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the major products that we sell by means of this horizontal navigation here, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog here. I would certainly encourage that you review this entire catalog because it is full of security hardware, lock installation aids, locksmithing tools, all related to and around the security industry, whether you are an end user, a manufacturer, an integrator, a locksmith, a weekend warrior, someone's looking to simply increase the security on something. This catalog would prove to be quite handy in that regard. Let's wrap up this video on camera. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. In conclusion, Major is a no-nonsense company manufacturing all sorts and types of lock installation tools. The HIT 66, the HIT Hardware Installation Tool is what that acronym stands for, and it really says it all when it comes to the products that Major Manufacturing produces. Any questions on the HIT 66-200 inch and a 16th replacement carbide bit for that HIT 66-200 mortiser or any other Major product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.